Hi, this is Sahitya. I'm Lizzie's mom. Lizzie is 11-year-old. It's a great learning, I would say. Before this, she had code.org in school, right? Um, she had a little introduction. We didn't know how much she knew about it, but she was not so much interested into that. But we thought it would be good to have her some help with coding, and we started her classes with Prashant. And since then, she started growing interest with coding whenever she has time. Before, she used to watch TV a lot. And now she loves to do some scratch programming, and she loves it. That's what makes a big difference. Anything that can make the kids interest in that stuff, I think they can learn very well. I mean, one thing that we have noticed with Lizzie since the time she started learning programming is that she is so much interested in the stuff that we don't have to remind her about her homeworks, or we don't have to force her to attend the classes. She reminds herself and she knows what to do. And she writes down all the questions that she has. That shows us how passionate she is about the programming. The interest is like really great, that we don't have to worry about like pushing her.